What is up, my dudes? And that one girl's like, I wish I could play in the tree house like I did when I was a kid. You're about to get your wish, one girl. This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's take that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos are coming weekly. Make sure you ring the bell to find out when they're showing up and dropping, coming in hot, all that good stuff. So let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on a Cardo communicator? Check my referral link down below. Want to support me and all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Boom! You should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links is a link explaining where all this is going, and you know, it's for a good cause, so let's do it up. Alright, we got that out of the way, cool. Got it good, let's move on. So today, we are rolling over to Burlington first. We're going over to the Nero Cafe to pick up Dave and maybe Dennis. I don't know, I haven't heard from him this morning, and currently it's like 55 degrees out, so that might be a deterrent for him. We'll find out. And we are heading out to Tree House Brewery in Charlton, something, Mass. It's like middle of nowhere. It's past Worcester, so like you dodge a bunch of gunfire and then you head out to Tree House Brewery. Tree House, for those of you not aware, is an independent brewery that is like #1 in New England and #4, like voted #4 in the country. Now, before you go running off to your store shelves to see if you can find yourself some Treehouse, I'll save you some time. You cannot. Treehouse does not distribute, which makes the whole lore of it even better. I mean, I have seen pictures where an hour before this place is opening, there is a line like, you know, people trying to get into a Taylor Swift concert. It is just absolutely nuts. And they've opened up a few more locations since the original. We are going to the original though, so don't worry about that. I mean, the ones that they've opened recently are closer to myself, Dave, Dennis, and all that. But I have not been to Treehouse before. This is something that every year I'm like, Dave, let's ride out there. And he's like, yeah, and then stuff comes up and we just don't make it. So this year I'm like, Dave, let's do this. And he's like, yeah. So, except like he did it in his little person voice, so he's like, yeah. When he watches this later, he's gonna kill me. But yeah, let's go get Dave. Let's get some breakfast. Let's see if Dennis is there. And let's roll out.
Can't tell if that's Ben or not.
All right, so we're at Nero. We've got Dave. We've got Dennis. Dennis is going to spend the next half an hour trying to pick music. Dave, last time you appeared, did you pay attention to the comments in the videos?
No.
You were actually given a road name, and it wasn't by me, so don't blame me. Don't blame me.
Everybody go fuck right off then?
This comes from Ricky Bobber Moto, if you want to hunt him down and murder him later on. Ricky, just so you know, Dave does a lot of traveling. And he ends up in California a lot, where you are. And he's a dangerous little man. So Ricky has issued you the name Bilbo Bagger.
What the fuck does that mean?
Bilbo Baggins was the name of the Hobbit.
I see. So just another irrelevant YouTuber trying to have some fun. Cool. All right. Fucking dickhead.
All right, so Dennis, Bilbo, and I are gonna go ride out to Tree House. Let's go.
Guys, we're about 5 minutes away from the brewery. Like, when people say that this thing's in the middle of nowhere, they're not kidding. It's in like the middle of nowhere. Like, we have driven well past Worcester, which is like probably the last kind of major city for a little bit. We could tell when we were past Worcester because we could stop dodging gunfire and people weren't trying to steal the rims off of our bike as we were sitting on them. But yeah, since then it's just like a lot of these little like highway things with a whole bunch of lights and all that fun stuff. So yeah, I am excited to get there and finally check this place out. Dave has had their stuff before. I didn't realize that. I thought none of us have tried it before, so this was going to be a bonding experience, but you know, Dave went ahead and ruined that, so whatever.
Oh, you're an asshole. I've actually never been there. I've just had their beer. Oh, I'm sorry.
Whatever, Dave.
Whatever.
It's kind of like, you know, this whole riding thing. You know, we're trying to ride together as like a tribe, as a team, and Dave's the only one that shows up with stock pipes, but you know, that's cool too. That's whatever. I guess, you know, we're all still on bikes, so I guess that makes it acceptable. I'm no expert, but I think I found our destination. Let's go. Let's not turn now, because then, like, you know, Dennis will die and nobody wants that. That's just a very uncomfortable experience, I imagine. We gotta get Dennis a cargo. I mean, I don't think he really cares that much. He's definitely been back there just rocking out. At one of the red lights, we were definitely listening to the Humpty dance, thanks to Dennis. You know, Humpty, pronounced with an umpty. Allow me
like, welcome to Jurassic Park.
This basically is like the beer version of Jurassic Park.
Wow, this is kind of cool.
This is fun. I like this. I like this. One of the things Tree House is at least known for, from what I've seen, is they have a really cool looking brewery. So
yes, parking. Do not enter. What?
All right. Oh, whatever, man. We're entering. Where's
to the right. Yes, parking says to the right. Hey, he's holding you up.
Oop. Uh-oh. We're in trouble already.
Just feel like we're not from around here.
Yeah. Stand by, people. We're in trouble.
Where you going?
So we're now a crappy new metal band called Falling in Reverse. In actuality, we're just going in reverse down a hill because Treehouse said we have to wait at the sign until they come get us. Dennis is the only one smart enough to turn around. Dave wanted to turn around, and I was like, nah, man, we got a hill. Let's do this.
Now, what could possibly go wrong?
You hit the sign. Whatever. Oh, now this dude in the cart's coming to get us. We're in super.
That's the same guy.
Oh, he just wants to make sure that we're backing up to the sign.
Yeah.
Do you think if I park in front of the sign, he'll be like super mad?
He'd probably just be like, fuck that, dude. Like, yeah.
You're on the wrong side of the sign.
He probably would be.
Alright, so this is us parking on the correct side of the sign and me going to go take a whiz in the bushes.
So whatever you do, don't cross this sign before they open, or they will hunt you down. So we're about 30 minutes away from the brewery opening, and seriously, we are not alone here. There's seriously already a line building up. So this is a real thing. It's not just us showing up really early and saying it gets busy. It gets busy. Apparently 11 a.m. is just a good time for me to drink, so here we go. All right, so here's the thing. Treehouse is known for their beer called Julius, Julius is an IPA, so I kind of broke my own rule by ordering this because, well, you all know how I feel about IPAs. But I mean, when you were in a place that is known for something, you got to give that a try. That's like walking into Guinness and going, no, I don't like stouts. So yes, we're going to try this out. Actually, not bad. I mean, still, I probably wouldn't order it again. Again, IPA, but it's still good. I like it.
Hell yeah, there's some good stuff right here.
This place is so cool looking. Like, I love this. I would, if I lived closer, I'd be here all the time. Yeah, like this whole little like pond area. That's just sweet. And those giant ass goldfish. This place is awesome. If you're ever in like the Western Mass area, put this on your list of destinations for sure. So they got a whole little food truck section going on over there. Got myself some salt and vinegar tater tots. I have never heard of salt and vinegar tater tots before, but I like salt and vinegar chips. Tots are made of potatoes. I feel like this is completely logical, and we're gonna try these out for sure.
Legit salt and pepper tater tots are awesome. Make this happen. Like if you come across these, get these. These are
What
so
time do you
good.
pick it up? I'll say 12:30.
They are bomb. I'm gonna take another one because they so damn good.
Are you cool?
These jerks took off on me after stealing a bunch of my tater tots and asked me to watch their beers. They may not have beers when they get back. This is called revenge, boys and girls. You can tell the pros that are coming here because they're showing up in like two-wheelers and leaving with like stacks of beer. It's actually kind of nuts. This place borders on being a cult, but with good reason. I mean, this place is awesome. The beer is awesome. Let's get Dave in the frame. And Dennis, there you go. Yeah, I mean, this is just good stuff. I really like this place. And there's lots of cool dogs too.
I just want to point out this tube speaker. This is absolutely insane. That is so old school and so awesome. I can't wait to hear this thing come to life.
Is insane how much beer they can brew here. And literally, they don't distribute. And this is like what they have to do to compensate for how many people come here. That is just nuts. I am beyond impressed with this place. I really am. Just in case you were wondering what an alcoholic looks like at Tree House, this whole order is that dude's. So currently, Dave is regretting only buying a 12-pack.
No, yeah, there's full quality beers. That's
Yeah,
all.
totally could have went for a 24-pack. We might have to go back and get some more. I don't know.
As they turn, I'm gonna be listing the right side a little bit though.
Oh, dude.
Little
I'm
swish.
gonna find the windiest roads home, and that's what we're doing.
All right, so we are heading out of Tree House. I cannot stress how awesome this place was. I absolutely love it. Dave, how do you feel?
Outstanding. Look at all the parking. Look at everybody parking on the grass right now.
Yeah.
And it's only almost 2 o'clock. Outstanding place. Highly recommend it. Big time.
Yeah, not even 2 o'clock, and this place is packed. They even have shuttles because they've got overflow parking down here, and they'll just like come pick you up. Look at it, like the overflow parking is already getting used. This place is nuts. And it's crazy to see how many people like just roll up, buy cases of this stuff and just leave. But at the same time, like the beers we drank, I can see why. I mean, this place was so good. 100% so good. I was so impressed.
That fucking case is $70 out there.
Dare I say, this might actually be my new favorite brewery. I am absolutely just, I'll have to come back a few times, you know, because you can have a good experience, especially that first one. That first experience is always awesome, but I don't think it's gonna get any worse. I don't think it's gonna like fall off or anything. This place is awesome. Again, if you were in like the western central Mass sort of area, if you're traveling, visiting, stuff like that, come out this way. This place is so good. All right, guys, so here's the deal. Dave, Dennis, and I, we're gonna hop on the highway. We're gonna break off at our respective, like, I don't know, exits to get home. So I'm gonna leave you guys here. Once again, check out Tree House. This place is awesome. And aside from that, let me know what your favorite brewery is. Throw it down below. Maybe I'll make my way out there sometime. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dork you know who's like, I don't like the taste of beer, it's horrible. Screw that guy. He loves his stuff anyway. Trust me, I'll see you all on the flip side.